Hi everybody, it's Becky, Youth Services Librarian at the Longview Library, and today we're going to show you how to do our Week 2 craft challenge for our summer reading program, this Jack and the Beanstalk inspired craft, where we've got beans planted in here, magic beans, that are going to grow up to the giant's castle in the sky. We're going to show you some of the supplies that we'll need, and if you guys need some of them, you can pick up a supply pack through our drive-through service next week. The supplies you'll need for this craft are cotton balls, some kind of tape, beans, something to color with. I have crayons. You could also use markers or colored pencils, scissors, a pencil, some skewers, white glue, a container with some dirt or soil in it, and some pieces of paper. I'm using cardstock. I have this blue that I'm going to use as the back for our cloud, and this white piece that I've printed a castle on. If you pick up the Craft Challenge packet for supplies, in it you'll get these pieces of paper, the skewers, the cotton balls, and the beans. Okay, so for the first part, because I'm going to glue these cotton balls down on this cloud that I've cut out off my blue paper, I'm going to do that first so it has some time to dry before we put it all together at the end. So I'm doing little gluey swirls. That's my method. You can do however you like to glue stuff. And then I'm going to fluff these out a little bit. Fill it in like this. Okay, so we'll set this aside to dry. So with my dirt, I'm going to go ahead and put my beans in. I'm going to just use 2 and just kind of push them in the top there like that. And you can water it now if you'd like to, but I don't have any water right here, so I'll do it later. And then I'm going to stick my 2 skewers in the dirt like this. As your bean grows, this is what it will start to climb on top of. If it gets too big, you might have to take it out of this pot, but it'll be fun for when it starts. And then I have my castle. So I started to cut this out, and then I realized it would be easier to color it and then cut it out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I've brought Jacob over here with us so we can color our castles together. I picked 5 colors to do mine in. This sea green, red orange, dandelion, orchid, which is a purple, and this pink, which is called Tickle Me Pink. What did you pick?
I also picked 5 colors, and I chose plum purple, this violet purple, cornflower blue, turquoise blue, and carnation pink. So we both got pink.
And purple.
And purple.
I didn't pick any blue. Now we're going to cut out our castles. Okay, now I'm going to put it all together. So I have my clouds that I made and my castle that I colored, and I'm just going to kind of tuck my, well, let's do it on this side. tassel in the clouds like this, and then I'm going to tape it on the back side. I'm just using this clear tape that I have, but you could use any kind of tape. Like that. And then we're going to tape it to the top of our skewers so that it looks like this. And again, I'm going to use this clear tape, although actually I think probably a stronger tape like masking tape would be a little bit better. We'll see. But like all of the craft challenge stuff, you just got to work with what you have. That's part of the challenge sometimes. Okay. And there it is. So I just water my beans and watch them grow. Thanks.